I cheater.
Hello, Garrett's Garage.
Hi, I was calling about my car.
Your car?
Yeah, is it ready?
I think it's ready.
Are you serious?
I'm not sure.
Well, go check,
I'm
asshole.
gonna check. Can you hold?
I need to pick up some kitty litter.
Alright. Josie, is the car ready yet? Stupid Las Vegas slut. I've been working on that for 2 weeks already. Josie, do you have this car finished yet?
Listen, puto, it's not Josie. It's Jose. And it's not ready, man. I just started. Shit. Always demanding, fucker.
See here, Jose, Josie, whatever it is. I have a client, and they need this car. Do you know the meaning of punctuality? Well, you know what? You're probably dumb. These stupid spics never know anything. I'll tell you the meaning. It means on time.
Listen, puto. You're starting to piss me off, eh? You know what this is? You know what this is? You need to shut the fuck up. Alright, Jerry Springer?
Jose, seems you're busy. I'll just go back into my office. You told me when you're done, and it's totally fine.
Works every time.